You're trying to upgrade to Windows 11, but you've hit that wall, GPT Disk Required. But do not panic, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how you can fix that GPT Disk Required for Windows 11 error, how you can get every single file you have safe, and also how to get that upgrade back on track. If you found this video helpful, then please hit like and subscribe, and also check the link in the description below that contains Wondershare Recoverit, the tool that makes sure that all your data stays protected throughout every step of the way. Now, let's get into the video. Windows 11 requires your system drive to use the GPT partition style instead of the older MBR format. So if your system is still running on that older MBR format, then the clean install from Windows 11 stops you cold with that GPT Disk Required message, whether you're on Windows 10 trying to upgrade it to Windows 11 or also doing a clean install on Windows 11 hardware. The fix for this is, well, simply converting your disk from MBR to GPT. But traditionally, and the scary part is that it meant wiping your entire hard drive while doing this. So all your files, all your data would be completely gone. But nowadays, it doesn't have to be that way anymore. And we'll show you exactly what we mean by this. First, let's confirm you're actually dealing with an MBR disk. So let's press Windows plus X, then select Disk Management, then right-click your system disk, usually disk 0, and choose Properties. Then the Volumes tab, and if it says MBR under Partition style, then that will be your culprit. Now here's where Wondershare Recoverit comes in, and once again, you can find it in the description down below if you want to grab it now. Let's open Recoverit, then navigate to Partition Management in the left sidebar, then select MBR to GPT, and now choose your system disk from that list. Double check if you're selecting the correct drive in this process. Now click Convert, and Recoverit will run a lossless conversion, transforming your partition style from MBR to GPT while your data stays completely intact. Once it finishes, restart your PC and rerun the Windows 11 upgrade or installer. The GPT disk required for Windows 11 error should be completely gone. Our recommendation is to always have a backup of your important files before attempting any type of conversion, because if a file goes missing or if a partition is not showing up, then you can always go back to that backup for that data. But in a rare chance that you haven't done a backup and you attempted a conversion and something went wrong, then you can always trust Wondershare Recoverit with its Wondershare Recovery tools. It handles hard drive repair, hard disk repair, and can recover files even from drives that aren't showing up at all. Just select your disk, run a scan, preview your files, and recover. Simple as that. And here was the clean, no data loss fix for the GPT disk error, from MBR to GPT in minutes without any data loss occurring. Now, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments down below. We'll respond to every single one, and also be sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.